Hey you guys, what's up? It's Amanda over at Lowbrow Customs, and today I'm here to talk to you about solo seat pivots. If you're looking to put a solo seat on your custom bobber or chopper, Lowbrow Customs seat pivots are a great solution, and we have a wide selection. This seat pivot is made specifically for 63 to 70 Triumphs, and it bolts directly onto the down tube. This seat pivot is made for 57 to 78 iron heads, and it's a direct bolt-on. Here we have a universal weld-on seat pivot. It has a round radius to weld right onto the backbone. We do have a tech tip video on how to weld these on if you wanted to check that out. We also have this universal bolt-on seat pivot. It's got the holes to bolt this directly onto the backbone, or you can just use this one to weld it on flat. All of Lowbrow's seat pivots are going to be made in America. They do come in the raw stainless steel as well as the black, and they have the slots going down the center for adjustability, as most solo seats are going to be a little bit different. That way you can fit each solo seat, any one that you prefer, properly onto your custom bike. So check out all of our solo seats, pivots, and springs at lowbrowcustoms.com. Now go for a ride.